Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing very great and you are practicing each and every day on your communication skills. So, here I am, and we are going to talk about something that will help you to improve your communication skills on daily basis, and it will definitely helpful if you will uh, watch this video till end. And I can assure you that if you are practicing these things, then you will definitely make a great impression on others while using these things in your communication skills on daily basis. So what actually we are going to do? Before that, let me tell you that my name is Pallavi Pandey and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Fluentilla. Here I am taking a 30-day challenge to speak only in English for at least 5 minutes. And for today's topic, I have chosen some words that you can replace while speaking with someone, right? So what are these words? I'm so sorry, I'm just sorry about the cough. But let's continue. So what I'm going to tell you is some words that you can replace, that you are using. I mean, I am also using these words on my daily communication skills, but I also want to replace them. Like the first one that I want to let you know that you can replace is happy. So what you can use at the place of happy? So whenever you are trying to say that I am very happy and I am happy to see you, so you can just replace it with the word euphoric. Okay, so happy can be replaced by euphoric. So what is euphoric? Euphoric is also the synonym of happy. So basically, whenever you say something that you are happy, you can replace by saying I am euphoric. Okay, I am happy to see you. At the place of this, you can definitely say that you are euphoric to see someone. Okay, I am euphoric to see you. Okay, so you can replace it with this. And definitely, if you understand this concept, just make your own sentence and try to write it down in the comment section, so you can also practice well, and you can also work hard on this challenge to speak in English for the next 30 days. Okay, so it is day 15 and I am on a consistent goal to make sure that I am uploading a single video daily. And don't forget to watch my shorts, because there I also try to give you some words on daily basis, and you can practice over there. If you like to watch short videos, so you can definitely go there and watch my shorts, so you can also improve your vocab section. So I am also helping you here, but on short section you can also find short videos. There is only one word each day, so you can definitely go and work for that. Okay, you only have to do, what you have to do is to just watch that video, try to repeat that word with its explanation and with its sentence or example that is given on the screen. And one thing that you have to definitely do is to make sure that you make your own sentence in the comment section, and you are definitely using these words in your communication skills each day, and you are practicing that. Okay, so if you are not practicing, if you are not making words, then definitely I can assure you that you are not going to get I mean, you are not going to achieve your goal. I can assure you that if you are not working hard, if you are not revising, if you are not practicing, that means you are not going to achieve those things that you have that you think that you will achieve in future. So if you are not working in that, forget about that. Okay, so the second word for our practice is big. So at the place of big, you can use the word enormous. Okay, so definitely you can use this word enormous whenever you speak something is big. So something is enormous, something is actually not big, something is, I mean, something is big. So you have to replace big with enormous. Okay, replace it with, like, I give you some example. Think about anything. Think about anything. A box, let's say a box. The box is big, so you can simply say the box is enormous. Okay, go on and practice it You can put it in any context, and just see whatever present in your surrounding, and you can just say that that thing is enormous. Like someone can see a torch, okay, and then definitely they can say yes, the torch is enormous. Okay, the torch is big, but the torch is enormous. So this will definitely help you boost your vocabulary and to practice your communication skills as well. Okay, so make sure that you are writing your own sentences in the comment section, so you can practice very hard on this part as well. So the third word is interesting. Whenever you say the movie is very interesting and I like this part, and the person was very interesting, or the teacher was very interesting, the book is very interesting, so you can use these words. This is actually quite good to use interesting word, but you can replace it with something that can help you change your way of communication, and you can replace it with fascinating. Don't say interesting, but say fascinating. The movie was fascinating, the teacher was fascinating, the book was fascinating, and the person was fascinating. So you can just use the fascinating word at the place of it. And the next word is difficult. So at the place of using difficult, you can simply change it by saying challenging. Do not use this word difficult. Like many people find out that YouTube and making videos on YouTube is quite difficult. So do not say that it is difficult actually, but say this is challenging. Making videos on YouTube is actually challenging. Sorry for this disturbance, guys. I am making videos at night, and that's why maybe it is happening because of the light. And just please forget it. And I can't help it with that right now, because it is not in my control, right? So I can't help with that. Okay, so next word is angry. So what will you say at the place of angry? If you know any word that you can replace with at the place of angry, so just let me know. But here I am going to change the word, replace the word with indignant. So whenever you say I am very angry, so you can just say, simply say that I am indignant and I don't want to talk to you, right? I am indignant, she is indignant, she is very angry, she is indignant, she is angry, she is indignant, right? He is angry, he is indignant, and you just don't have I mean, you should not talk to that person because he is indignant. And uh, uh, by using these kinds of words, you can definitely I can assure you that you are going to make a good impression on someone. So if you really want to impress someone, if you really want to impress your parents or your family, friends, anyone, so you can definitely use these words. And do let me know if you are using these or not. Or the next word is surprised. So are you surprised by watching me over here and talking to you like this? So surprised, at the place of surprised, you can use the word astonished. So at the place of saying I am surprised, no, you have to say I am astonished. Okay, you are astonished. Okay, did you get the surprise? Did you get surprised? I mean, did you get surprised, or did you surprised him? So you can just simply say, did you astonished him? Did you astonished her? Okay, I am surprised, I am astonished. So you can definitely use these words and replace them, and make a good impression on your part. Okay, the next word is boring. So at the place of boring, you can simply say tedious. You can use the word tedious, you can replace it at the replace boring by tedious. Okay, so I hope my video is not tedious. I mean, it can be, because lectures are usually tedious, and they make us sleep usually. So it may be tedious, but it is actually very helpful. So at the place of helpful, our next word is helpful. So at the place of helpful, what you are going to say? So at the place of helpful, you are going to say instrumental. Okay, so um, the tedious lectures are actually very instrumental. Okay, that means the boring lectures are very interesting, actually very helpful. Not interesting, very helpful. Okay, so the tedious lectures are actually very help instrumental. Okay, yes, go on and practice these in the comment section and try to make a sentence at least, so so you can assure that you are practicing. I am actually practicing while making these videos, but if you want to practice each and every day, you have to make sure that you are working on it, and you are trying to communicate, you are making sentences, and you are trying to uh, connect the context and improving on your part as well. And the last word that I'm going to tell you is beautiful. So at the place of beautiful, what you are going to say? So at the place of beautiful, you can use the word breathtaking or breathtaking. Okay, so breathtaking can be used at the place of beautiful. So someone is beautiful, that means you are breathtaking. Okay, I mean, you are beautiful, you are breathtaking, and you are actually breathtaking. um I mean, you can use anything, like this book is beautiful, so this book is actually breathtaking. Okay, this torch is beautiful, this torch is beautiful, I mean breathtaking. This girl is beautiful, the girl is breathtaking. So you can use it however you want to. So make sure that you are working on these things. And if you like this video, do like and share, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you will definitely get the notification whenever I upload any video on my channel, and you will be able to find out my videos. Okay, so please do like and share, do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you are practicing very hard. I will meet you in my next video, and till then I'm off. Bye bye, take care.